Hey fam, what's up? It's your girl back with some more hacks from your favorite app, and I'm going to show you guys today about a cool hack I found on the app called Temu. I always forget how to say that. I'm not good with it. But anyways, it's such a cool app and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to show you guys a trick how we can get unlimited coins on it, and you can actually redeem those coins, as you know, for money on that app. So unlimited coins equals unlimited money. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get those unlimited coins right now. So follow along with me. All right, so I'm going to open up my Temu app, and you can see it's right here on my phone, and I have everything. You can see all the things that I've been looking at recently on Valentine's Day deal, 90% off. Everything's already cheap and free returns, all that cool stuff. So here's my profile, and you can see it's actually me, and here's my cart. This is everything I have going on. It's all my real stuff. There's my jeans and my screen protector, all that stuff, the handle, and I'm going to show you guys, this is totally real. I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So I'm going to take you guys on my little journey and show you. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to enter into the search bar. We're going to put redeem, because that's how we get our coins. We're going to put redeem into there and search that. That's going to take us to our redeem coins screen. And from there, if you look, you're going to see I have about 240,000 coins. And if you look right next to it though, there's a little button there that says redeem cash, and right above it says add coins. And that's where the magic all happens. So I want you guys to watch what happens when I press that button. When I press add coins, I want you to watch what happens to the 240,000 coins that I have right now. So I'm going to press the button, and it went up to 250,000, and I pressed it again, 260,000. I'm going to press it, and I can keep going with it. I'm going to press it again, 270, and then I can keep pressing it again and again. I'm going to press it again, and it's going to go to 280,000, and that's all real coins that you can actually use to buy stuff on Temu, and it's so cool. And I'm going to show you guys an actual, you can actually see it if you go to my profile and everything. I'm going to show you. But I am so cool about this. See, you can see your star coins have gone up on the actual redeem screen. And I have 280, just like it said before. And that's super cool. I have I don't know, maybe $6 to spend. I know it's not a lot, but if you keep pressing that button, it's gonna add up. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can do this for yourself. And this is actually the actual app. See, it's my Temu app. And you guys can do this too if you follow along with what I'm going to show you. So we're going to go to our Safari app on your Apple iPhone or whatever phone you're using. Just go to your search app, and you're going to look up our favorite app. You all know what it is. It's called tweakvalley.com. Now let's just put that in. Tweak Valley. And there it is. We're just going to put enter right there. And the Tweak Valley app has so many apps on it. I love it, but there's a lot of apps. So it might take a while to just scroll through all of them. So I'm just going to go right back up, and I'm just going to search in the search bar for the Temu app. And we're going to click on that and put search and enter Temu. And there it is, Temu mod. We're just going to install that mod right now, right from this app. And it's installing, and I really love this Tweak Valley app just because it has so many cool hacks and so many cool things on it. And it's always up to date, and it's super easy to use. Who doesn't want something like that? Am I right? So yeah, I really enjoy this app, and I use it for so many things. I've gotten Snapchat off of it. I've gotten TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Anything where you can get cool little tweaks on it and save yourself some time and energy. So I would recommend it to all of you guys. All of you guys watching and know ya girl, you know me. I'm always down for some Tweak Valley. All right, so it's installing, and I'm going to take you guys through the next couple steps. And it's really easy. From there, once it's you're going to wait for it to finish loading. You're just going to put allow. Click allow on that right there, and then you're just going to close on the profile downloaded. Close it up. And from there, you're just going to close out of that, and you're going to go to your settings app. So I want you guys to open that with me. Open up your settings app and go to profile downloaded. And you're going to click on the Temu app that we just downloaded and put install. So click install. Okay, and then just click next. And click install one more time. And install again. Whoops, my bad. All right, and now we're just going to click done. And go back. Exit out, and there you have it. Your Temu app is right there for you guys to use and enjoy all on your own time. So yeah, enjoy this cool little tweak, guys, and I hope to see you next time with your girl for more tweaks from Tweak Valley. Bye.